Dear Pastor, I am 21 years old with a 3-year-old child. I'm writing about some great confusion in my life. It's about my mother's spouse. I don't even know where to begin, but I'll try to include everything. I found out about a week ago he loved me from the beginning of his relationship with my mom. The situation got more confusing when my mom forcefully started relationship with him. He said, Pastor, I can tell you that I have a sister who is now 16 and he has been sleeping with her also. He said that he has tried to stop sleeping with her, but every time she keeps threatening to tell my mom what they have been doing. He says he truly loves me, and to be frank, he shows me in many ways that he loves me. He told me he wants to see me happy. I believe him. I am partially single now, but I don't want to make a bad decision. My mom says she loves this man, but I think I'm falling for him regardless of the situation. He's away now, but he's trying to break off from my mother because she makes him miserable and unhappy. He's great with my daughter and me, but honestly, I don't think of his greatness to us in a relationship way. It's not hard to love him back, but I'm reserving my feelings for the one who truly deserves it. I keep thinking if I start a relationship with him, I'll become the bad daughter. What will people think? What will my mom think? We couldn't hide forever. Please, Pastor, I need your advice as soon as possible.